Summer is upon us, and no doubt some of you are looking forward to your holidays, looking forward to a break. Some of you, no doubt, seeing as it's Thursday, will be looking forward to the weekend. I think it was, this is an inane reference I'm going to make, I'm just warning you in advance. I think it was Hercule Poirot's friend, Captain Hastings, who said, half the joy of buying a car is looking forward to buying it. What am I talking about? I told you it was an inane reference, didn't I? The fact is that as human beings we tend to look forward to things that we love doing, things that turn us on. Of course, in looking forward, even this Thursday, to the weekend, you've suddenly split your mind, you've split your focus. You ain't here no more. You're not here anymore, you're somewhere else. As I've said before, a divided mind always fails. Am I saying to you, never look forward to anything? Oh no, there's joy in anticipating things, but keep it in balance. Like everything else in life, a little of what you fancy never did you any harm. So in other words, you want to balance the looking forward with, and obviously some of the preparations that go with, for example, going on a nice holiday. You need to balance that with being in the present moment, and indeed, even if you're preparing for a big upcoming holiday, you can only do those preparations perfectly in the here and now if you do them by being present in the here and now. If we're looking forward to what we think might be a perfect moment, lazing on a sun-drenched beach, we're missing this perfect moment. Ultimately, by looking forward to something like that, we magnify it, and therefore very often people, I see it around here all the time, people are fighting on holidays, so stressed out to try to experience what they had been looking forward to. People stressed out trying to have fun. As you and I know, anticipated fun, planned fun never happens. Fun, like the joy of living life in the here and now, is spontaneous. So you need to ensure that moment to moment, even if you're planning for something upcoming that is going to tickle your fancy, you need to ensure again and again and again, because it matters. It matters in everything we do and everything we say. You need to remind yourself again and again and again, this is it, here and now. I'm present here and now. I'm enjoying myself here and now. I don't need to look forward to anything.